Click on the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon to never miss a video from our channel. So friends, sometimes we are so busy in our work that we cannot reply to our friends in WhatsApp. And some messages like good morning wishes in the morning, good night, hi, hello, how are you, what's your name, what's up. These are some common messages come every day to you, and you are not so free that you can reply to them all every time. So in that case, if you want to give them reply automatically without even opening WhatsApp, then watch this video till to end. Now let's check out the trick. By my this to WhatsApp account, here you can see this is my WhatsApp account, and here you can see a contact saved as the name Deep. So this is my another WhatsApp account which I have opened in the MoChat application. I will show you. So you can see this application, and here you can see the contact saved as Whats, and it is now showing online. So at first what will I do, I will just remove this current WhatsApp account from the RAM. Now I am offline. You can see today at 1:35 p.m. Now I am gonna show you the trick. Here I am sending some messages like hi to my current WhatsApp account, and here you can see a message as reply came to me, or you can see this is hello. And now I am gonna say something more like good morning. Okay, I have sent good morning, and you can see, yeah, good morning friend. So these are some auto replies coming from my original account to my this account in MoChat. And let's send something more interesting like how are you. Okay, I have sent how are you, and here you can see the reply has come, I am fine, what about you. So let's go with the flow, I am fine. And here you can see another reply is come, I am busy, text you later. Okay, so hope you have seen this, and it is just awesome friend, it is really just awesome. And now let me show you how this trick worked. So for this, let's go to the application. Here you can see this application over here. So let's open this, and you need to give it some accesses when you have just downloaded it from the Play Store. I will also give you the link of this application in my video description. Now here you can see one option, you have to enable this, and here you can see auto reply text. So this text is selected I think as by default, and this text is I am busy, text you later. So whenever somebody texts you anything and you are not online, this text will be replied automatically to your that friend. And actually, let me show you something else which is more interesting than that. You can actually make your custom replies in that area. What you need to do, here I have made some custom replies like if anybody is sending me hi, I am replying him hello. If anybody sending me how are you, so this is my reply to them. And there are some other replies which I have just shown you some time before. So let me make another custom reply. So here I am telling like hi, let me take hey, are you okay, are you okay. Okay, so then my reply will be something like that. Yeah, so this is my reply. So then click on this done option. Now let's check it out, is it working or not. So, and I am sending him this message, hey, are you okay. And here you can see this auto reply, yeah. So it is working nicely. And if you want to remove this auto reply text over here, what you need to do, you have to go to these three dots in your What's Auto application, okay, and click on that and go to the settings, and here you can see one option, remove auto reply. Just enable it. Now let's see, is it working or not. Now let's move back to your WhatsApp account now let's move back to the Mochat WhatsApp account, and here I am sending some message like hi again, and here you can see this is hello without this text auto reply, just above it. And let me show you something else which this app can do. You can see over here this status option, and this app is storing your statuses automatically, so it is also cool. That was all about this awesome app, guys. Please go to the Play Store and download this app. And so here you can see What's Auto app. It is really cool and it is really nice and it is working efficiently, and I know it will be helping you in many ways. Let me know your opinions about this app in the comment section of this video. Hope you enjoy this video, guys. Please give it a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to our channel Tech Tutorial yet, then hit that red subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon to get notification from our channel. Thank you.